En al die grandpas. Moenie jou mense na my life toe stuur nie, ek stel nie belang nie. Hulle is net soos jy. Hoeso, die kopie raas. Die is geblok. Ja, jy is ook geblok. Nee, ek het ingeklim. Jy het op jou kop geval. Henriette, want ek's gerestrikt op die live. Dus kom kan jy nie. Deel van die lewe. Hello Lizzie, how are you? Till Tuesday. Lizzie, till Tuesday. But I know who's sitting behind this. I'm going to put a complaint against Yvette. And put a mass report in by her. She won't get away. She can't get away. Nobody blocked nobody. Nobody will block me. How are you going to send it, Lola? You can't, Lizzie. You got to use a backup account. And I'm not going to lose all my followers. Are you going to send me something, Lola? You won't be able to. No problem. Tini, jy kom nooit in my live nie. Ja? Magda, jy kan my onderweg kruip. Jy groet nie eers nie. So Magda, tot ziens. I can't, Lizzie. I'm not going to open a new account. No. It's impossible. I'm not opening a new account. Wee, my mens, sy my baas. Sy sal nooit by baas wees nie, jy is geblok. Jy is